Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the command palette and choosing Configure User Snippets. Pick a language or create a global snippets file. Once the JSON file appears, add a top-level snippet object with a clear name. For each snippet, set prefix to the trigger, body as an array of lines, and description to explain intent. Make sure to save the file. This registers the snippet immediately for the selected language. You now craft the body with intent. Use an array of strings so each line stays readable, and include placeholders like $1 and $2, default to guide cursor movement. If you need choices, use $1 option A, option B, and use built-in variables such as $TM file name or $current year to auto-insert context. Also, make sure to escape double quotes and backslashes. If you want a literal backslash, write \\\, so the JSON remains valid. You finish by testing the snippet. Type its prefix and press Tab to expand, then cycle through placeholders as expected. If nothing expands, make sure the JSON is valid and that the snippet file matches the language ID you're editing. A misplaced comma or wrong scope will break it. Once done, reload the window or restart Vscode to refresh registration. And remember, syntax errors in the snippet's JSON are the most common culprit, so validate it first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.